Good morning. Another set of toys. And look at my hydrangea. Look at my hydrangea. You see its baby pink. Then there's the other one, hydrangea coming soon. See? So lovely is my garden. As you can see the roses, it's two. One, two, three. So lots of hydrangea coming out. Oh my, that's beautiful. Lots of hydrangea. So happy. Oh, good morning plants. Watering them. Let's change the water of my pond. It's getting dirty. Let's make it clear, more clear. Oops. This one also is hydrangea, but again, there's no flower in it. Oh my. Second year, no flower. My rosemary. Oh, there's a cutie guest over there. Hello there, good morning. A lizard. There are two. There are two there, you know. Can you see it? Don't disturb them. My lotus is getting well. Look at the leaves. This one is my basil. My basil. There's coming out again. So nice, and that's a good news. They can produce another beautiful flower. Hopefully there will be. And then look at my jade plants. Look at my jade plants. Oh, good. Jade plants. And you know, guys, look at my tomato. A bunch of tomato, you know, come here. Yay. And another bunch over there. And another one here. Coming up. And another one here. Another one here. I have lots of tomatoes. Yay. Thank you, Vandal, for the advice. So good. Yeah, it looks yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. I have lots of tomatoes. And then let's check the other. This is the other plants of mine. Another tomato here. And another one here. Oh. What is this? Oh, shoo. You're not in there. Hurrah. Damn it. This is my red chili pepper. And guys, look at the bell pepper. Look at the bell pepper over there. Oh, you see? Can you see it? There's a bell pepper there. Yay! And then another one there. Oh, I think the monsters eat it. Take it. Take it there. I think the monster ate it already. See? And lots of pepper. Green pepper. Over here. And look at my eggplant. The flower is there already. Oh, my eggplant. And then coming soon, my wing string bean. Yeah. They're coming up, coming up, coming up. And there's the other one in there. And then let's check out the other one. Yay! It's coming up. And then there's another one there. Look at my bitter gourd. There's a flower. Oh, oh. Can you see that? Oh. It's a bitter gourd. Ampalaya. Going up there. Going up there. And then another tomato. Another tomato coming up. I have to cut this. I need to cut the unnecessary. Oh, there's a tomato. Can you see it? There's a tomato. I'm not feeling well, but then I'm feeling good when I visit my little farm. See, I have lots of tomatoes coming soon, and then eggplant. Lots of veggies coming soon from my farm. See that? It's all good. I have to cut the unnecessary leaves. And look at the chili pepper. Oh, they are there again. Don't go there. See? My bell pepper is there. It's so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then my eggplant. The flower of the eggplant. I have a mini jungle here in my garden. This one also is they called it money tree. This one is Denmark cactus. Unnecessary leaves there. There are just oh, the water is clear already. Need more. They're still there. My visitor. It's there. Yeah. The water is getting clear again. I want to clean inside, but only I need to brush it. Ah, I have the brush here. See? Mahihilo na ba kayo sa kakaikot ko? I have to take all the rotten leaves. This one also. So it's nice. I'm here at my mini jungle. It's my mini jungle. My stress reliever. One of my stress reliever. Look at my basil. Okay. Very good. Very good. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.